So I was on a mission. I wanted to figure out how to make a creamy store-bought hummus, but make it homemade and also make it oil-free. So I have two versions here. This is the store-bought and this is my creamy homemade hummus. And one of the secrets that I discovered to make homemade hummus is there's one thing that you have to do to make it creamy, so sometimes it could be chunky, is to remove the skins on the chickpeas. So I have a recipe that I'm going to show you that's going to show you a really simple way how to remove the skins and make a nice, delicious, creamy hummus. So let's get started. So first we're going to drain the chickpeas, and we want to make sure we keep the liquid, the aquafaba. That's what we're going to use as the oil substitute. And next you just want to rinse off your chickpeas. Okay, now this is the step that's new. We're going to remove the skins of the chickpeas. That way this will help make it a creamier, smoother hummus. So you just put it on a clean towel, and you just want to roll back and forth the towel. You can also use a paper towel, and you can see how it starts to remove the skins from the chickpeas. I found this to be the simplest way. You can also use your fingers and take one at a time, but to me that would take too long. So this is pretty quick to do. And then just put the chickpeas in a bowl, and you can just remove any excess skins from there. Now we're just going to pour those same chickpeas into the food processor, and we're going to add in some tahini. I put about 1 tablespoon. You can put 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on what you like. And some garlic, 1 to 2 pieces of garlic minced. Usually about a whole lemon, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. I just squeeze that directly into there. And here I'm putting in the aquafaba. I put about 1/4 cup. You can kind of add it in slowly depending on how thick or creamy or thick or smooth you want the hummus to be, and a little bit of salt. Here you can also add in some additional seasonings like some paprika or some cumin, depending on what flavor profile you want it to be. And now we're just going to blend it all together. So your homemade hummus will stay good in the refrigerator for about 5 to 6 days when stored in an airtight container. So there you have it. It's all about those chickpea skins and a sprinkle of creativity. So if you enjoyed this video and want to give it a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And remember, the full recipe is available in the comments below. So don't forget to subscribe for more plant-based recipes. Until next time, enjoy your hummus making adventure.